This is the Companion Rover Battery Box, a heavy-duty battery box that turns your battery into a portable power station, built for off-grid escapes or powering through an unexpected blackout. With 11 power ports, including USB-C, USB-A, cigarette sockets, Anderson connections, including a 175 amp connection. It runs your lights, fridge, inverters, and even cooking gear like the Rome Sandwich Grill Press or 4-litre air fryer. When it's time to recharge, plug in a solar blanket or connect via AC charger to a 240 volt outlet at home. It can also be integrated into your vehicle's dual battery setup. Built tough from strong ABS plastic with integrated carry handles, the Rover Battery Box is made to handle life on the road while keeping your battery protected and portable. It's compatible with lithium, AGM, gel, lead acid, and calcium batteries up to 34 centimeters long by 18.5 centimeters wide by 23.5 centimeters high, including the Rover 120 amp lithium battery. With dual 50 amp circuit breaker protection and an LED display showing capacity, voltage, temperature, and low battery alerts, you'll be in the know every step of the way. The box comes with a battery securing strap so that once you've bought a battery, you're ready to go. Power, portability, all at your fingertips.